Taking a break in the nature. Well, for those of you who are trading or investing always in the computer or always looking at the charts on the computer or always researching, just a reminder, just go around somewhere where you can be in the nature, feel fresh air, the birds, just feel fresh in the nature. And technically, investing is not supposed to be something you're looking at every day on the charts all the time. You just look every day, maybe once in a week, a couple of times a week, maybe, or once a day, just to see what's going on, because you already know what exactly you are looking for the long term. Unless you're doing some day trading, for the investing part, you don't have to be always on the computer, always on the screen. You need to understand more the principles and what you are into, what you like, or what you want to try, and that's about it. It's supposed to be passive. You're not supposed to do anything, right? Your stuff is doing research and then just investing, and that's it. You're invested, maybe for 10 years, maybe for 5 years. So if you are into investing, it's supposed to be passive, and that's the number one thing. And if you are the day trader, I'm reminding you to take a break, go into the nature, fresh park, nature, wherever you can. Get some break and get enjoy nature.